YouTube, what's good, what's good? It's your boy 313 Mag Dumping. You dig? Y'all see what I got. I got that ROMEO5 Sawyer GEN2 green dot for my AR pistol. You feel me? These things work really great. Just wanted to come and give it to y'all what I got for my radical firearms. You know, I gotta dress it up, right? So we gonna just get straight to it. Yep, ROMEO5 GEN2 green dot. Alright. There you go. Then you got your cloth. Got your tools. The other tool. Okay. It's an extra plate, so in case you want your doctor be like low down on your rail, the co-witness, you can use this one. Because the one that come on it is a little higher. And of course, you got the dot. That's nice. Let's get rid of this. I always lose these quick anyway. I don't know where they be going. Can y'all see that? That's funny. I can see you. It's dope, man. It's look good. You got the plus and minus button on top. I already pulled the little paper off for the battery, so to turn it on, you just hit either the plus or the minus button. Hold it for a couple seconds and it'll turn on. Same thing to turn it off. And if you want the dot bigger, of course you hit the plus button. If you want it smaller, hit the minus button. Ain't really, you don't see that? Yeah. All right. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna throw this boy on my rifle. Why not, right? I would do it on YouTube, but you know, they be tripping, man. They've been going crazy on me lately. I don't know. So, let me go mount that on real fast. I got plenty of videos of people doing that, but I'm not gonna get into it. I really just coming here to show y'all my green dot, but why not put it on? You feel me? How y'all day going down? Great, I hope. Just got off work not too long ago. Got tomorrow off. Football game on too. Let's go Bills. All right. Shabuya. Oh yeah, I like that. Like I said, you make the green dot smaller or bigger by pressing the minus and plus button. People be talking trash about these 6 Sawyer green dots. Oh, they budget. Look, I got the GEN1 on my ARP. The same battery been working for almost 3.5, 4 years. It's been dinged up, beat up. Not this one, but it's the GEN2. It's the ROMEO5 GEN2. I got the GEN1, and it still works. So guess what? I don't have no reason to get nothing different as of now. They work, man. Go get you one. I'm about to go in my backyard and play with her. Not shoot, just, you know. Just my bad. You can see it on no magazine, but it's gotta be clear around here. I actually bought a to put on my rifle, but I need that little piece of pick rail to go on the bottom. I forgot to buy the little piece, so I can put that on there. So I'm gonna have my green dot. You know what I'm saying? Next on the list will be the pressure pad light. So I'm coming, y'all. Just dressing her up. Well, him up. That's where the battery go. Had a little tab in there. Just unscrew that, pull the tab off, put the battery back in, tighten it up. You know, simple. So that plus and minus button. Yeah, man. She coming. That's all though, y'all. Just showing y'all my Romeo dot, green dot. Y'all keep God first, order fruits and vegetables. Stay strapped, man. Take care of your family and your loved ones. All right? We out.